In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change the password of your Genshin Impact account. So without further ado, let's do it. To change the password of your Genshin Impact account, you just need to play with your account and here click on the icon at the upper right corner. Go to settings by tapping on the gear icon. Click on account. Here, find User Center and click on Tap to proceed. Scroll down and find Change Password. On the right side, you can see this Change Password button. Click on it. I'm gonna choose email verification, but you can also choose mobile number verification if you have one connected to your Genshin Impact account. After that, we need to scroll down and click on Send Code. Solve the puzzle. After solving, the verification code will be sent to your email or mobile number. Type the code you receive here. Once done, click on Next. We can now change our Genshin Impact password. Just type the new password you want and retype it. Once done, click on Confirm. We have successfully changed the password of our Genshin Impact account. If you forgot your password and you don't have access to your email or phone number, I have a separate tutorial about that. Click the video in the screen or in the description.